Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LangChain Agents and Tools. Giving your AI hands and eyes. Practical deep dive. Imagine you have a super smart friend who knows everything in books but can't do anything in the real world. They can't browse the internet, check the weather, or send an email. That's often what a basic AI chatbot is like. Today, we're diving into LangChain agents and tools, which are like giving our AI friends hands and eyes so they can actually interact with the world and perform actions, not just talk about them. This is a game changer for building truly useful AI applications, even if you're just starting your AI journey. A large language model, LLM, like ChatGPT, is brilliant at understanding and generating text. It's like a genius librarian with access to every book ever written. You can ask it questions, and it will give you incredibly coherent answers. But here's the catch. It can't act. It can't open your calendar, fetch live stock prices, or search Google for new information that wasn't in its training data. Its knowledge is frozen in time. For developers, this means our AI can be smart, but often passive. We need a way for our AI to do things. Think of a LangChain agent as the smart decision maker or the project manager for your AI application. When you give your AI a goal, e.g., find me a restaurant for dinner tonight and book a table, the agent's job is to figure out the best steps to achieve that goal. It doesn't do the tasks itself, but it chooses which specialized workers, which we'll call tools, to use and in what order. It thinks, okay, first I need to find restaurants, then check availability, then book. It's the strategic planner, using its LLM brain to reason. If the agent is the project manager, then LangChain tools are the specialized workers or gadgets that actually perform specific actions. Each tool has a single, well-defined job. Examples include *, Google search tool, the AI's eyes to browse the internet, *, calendar tool, to check your schedule or add events, *, calculator tool, to do math, *, booking tool, to reserve a restaurant. As a developer, you can create any tool your AI needs by writing a simple function that does a specific task. These are the AI's hands to interact with the digital world. This is where the magic happens. It's an iterative loop. 1. Goal received. You give the agent a complex task. 2. Agent thinks. The agent, our project manager, uses its LLM brain to analyze the goal and decide what actions are needed. It looks at its available tools. 3. Tool chosen. The agent picks the most appropriate tool for the next step. E.g., I need to search for restaurants, so I'll use the Google search tool. 4. Tool executes. The chosen tool performs its specific action, e.g., searches Google and returns results. 5. Agent observes and repeats. The agent receives the results from the tool, updates its plan, and decides the * next action. It keeps repeating this cycle: think, act, observe until the goal is achieved or it realizes it can't proceed. It's how AI solves multi-step problems. As a developer, setting this up is surprisingly straightforward with LangChain. You essentially 1. Define your tools. Write Python functions for each capability, e.g., *def get _weather, city, *def search _web, query, *. 2. Load your LLM. Choose which powerful language model the agent will use as its brain. 3. Create the agent. Tell LangChain which LLM is the brain and which tools are available. 4. Run the agent. Give it a prompt, Python, # conceptual Python code snippet. From LangChain, Agents import agent executor. Create _ React _ agent. From LangChain _ community. Tools import Google search tool # example tool. Number 1. Define tools. Tools equals Google search tool # imagine you have more tools like calendar tool, weather tool. Number 2. Load LLM, e.g. OpenAI, Google Gemini. LLM equals # your LLM instance here. Number 3. Create the agent. Simplified. Agent equals create _ React _ agent. LLM. Tools. # LangChain handles the logic. Number 4. Run the agent. Agent _ executor equals agent executor. Agent equals agent. Tools equals tools. Verbose equals true. Agent _ executor. Invoke. Input. What's the weather in London and what's a fun fact about its history? Quote closing curly bracket. This _ verbose equals true _ shows the agent's step-by-step thought process. LangChain simplifies the complex task of building AI applications that can interact with the real world. It's a powerful framework for developers because orchestration. It provides the structure to connect LLMs with external data sources and computational tools seamlessly. Modularity. You can easily swap out different LLMs or add new custom tools without rewriting your entire application. Community and ecosystem. A vast collection of pre-built tools and integrations, saving you time and effort. Rapid prototyping. Go from idea to working AI agent much faster. For a developer, this means you can build powerful, adaptable AI solutions with less boilerplate code. Today, we learned how LangChain agents act as the intelligent decision makers, choosing which specialized tools, the AI's hands and eyes, to use to accomplish complex goals. This paradigm transforms passive chatbots into proactive assistants capable of interacting with the world. As a developer, understanding agents and tools is crucial for building the next generation of AI applications that don't just talk, but do. Your next step? Experiment. Start with a simple LangChain agent. Give it a web search tool, and see what it can achieve. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.